It's going to be almost personal reading, all that I need to know. So what's to come for you in the next couple of days? So let's see. Okay. So right now, some of you could be feeling a bit drained. Okay. I won't say that you're unhappy. It's just that some of you feel little drained, like little weak. Okay. One more card. What else do you see coming up in your life for the next couple of days? With the chariot card here, I definitely feel like if you guys were stuck on someone, if you guys couldn't really, you know, like understand why the fuck you're stuck on something, or a particular connection or a particular person, I don't see you stuck on that situation anymore. Yes, you are disappointed, but you're not wanting to be a part of it. Of course, stay a part of it. Okay, one more card. What else do you see coming up for you? Some of you guys might also be traveling. Traveling could be involved in some which way. With Ace of Cups, I do believe for some of you there is a new person coming in altogether. Okay, sometimes we reach to a point where a connection is not going further. You also know that it may not go to a point where you could move towards commitment, you could move towards having a family. It's dead end. Okay, if you know it and you accept it, it's time to look forward to something else in life that is going to be more fulfilling, instead of being in a connection just because you're scared to die single. That is bullshit. A connection that is giving you nothing is rather going to drain you than give you anything. Okay, if a connection is dead, it needs to be left alone, it needs to be walked away from. Okay, you cannot be giving into a connection that is not going anywhere. If you're in that space, I would say that you need to uh, like give it couple of weeks maybe to heal, to be more aware of yourself, and then move in a like certain direction, or then keep yourself open, like towards meeting someone new, or moving to a certain place, or moving to another job. But you need to have a vision. You can't be sitting in a connection just because you're scared to end single, or you're scared to die alone. Okay, so yes, one more card. Overall, what do we see coming up? Overall, what do we see coming up? Overall, with Knight of Cups, I do see someone giving you attention. Okay, I do see you getting attention from an individual, majorly water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, so is this person someone from the past, or is this person new spirit? I see you getting attention from more than one person, to be honest. Okay, with Ace of Cups, this might be a new person, but this is someone who lives at a distance. So not someone who lives close by. Someone who definitely lives at a distance. Okay, one more card. In terms of your connection, howsoever, what's going on, what's the overall energy going to be like? In terms of your connection, I believe you are not giving in. It's like you are holding back, or you have hold back, or you have decided to not really try hard. Six of Pentacles, it's like someone has given up. I guess it's majorly you. In terms of your partner, what are they up to? What's this person up to? I believe with the Hierophant and the reverse, this person isn't really looking forward towards commitment. It's like they want to still have fun. When two people are looking forward to a relationship where one wants to get someplace and they want to get to a commitment, but the other person just wants to have fun. Those kind of connections can't really work together. They can't really come to a very stable point, because both want different things. So I believe your person, whosoever you're connected with, or you think you're connected with, isn't really wanting commitment. They still want to have fun. Okay, one more card. Like, how do they think about you now? How do they truly think about you? Right now with Four of Pentacles, I believe they are still holding on to you, but not really doing much about it. It's like I don't know if you were their safe option. Okay, but I believe in the recent past they could have tried to get your attention. I do not know all of you have got attention or not, but in the recent past they have made some, they kind of did something that could have got your attention. Okay, but with Six of Wands, yes, around 30-40% of you might have got attention by now. If not, I see you guys getting attention pretty soon. Okay, one more card in terms of their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions with the lovers card, they kind of want to connect with you on some which level. In the recent past, they were silent. They were like not wanting to open up about what they want or where things are going. They were pretty silent. Okay, even if you guys were in communication, they never really spoke about the connection or the two of you. They spoke about everything else, except the connection. Okay, so yes, in terms of what this person is up to, I believe this person needs you for something. They have a work, or they have a job that you could help them with. I do not know in which means, but they do need you for something. Okay, one more card in terms of what do they have to offer, what do they truly have to offer. Seven of Pentacles. They'll kind of want to make you wait a little. So even if they message you, I don't see it going smooth. Okay, they're gonna message you and then take a break, like a couple of days break maybe, or they might message in the morning and then they are silent throughout the evening, and then late at night they message you again. So it won't be smooth. Okay, one card for why are they doing this? Like, what's the purpose behind all this, Spirit? Four of Swords. One more card, please. King of Wands. Okay. It's like for some of you, this person wants to see to it that you do not get away. Okay, they are just trying to see to it that you don't go away, or you don't focus on something else in life. Okay, so with Four of Swords, I believe they want to heal the connection. Okay, in terms of why do they want to heal the connection, Spirit? Why do they really want to heal the connection? What's the purpose behind that? Yeah, with Page of Cups, I believe some of you, this person might also behave sweet. Okay, and out of nowhere they are caring. Okay, so I do believe the next 72 hours, your person, if they contact you, or if they message you, they are going to behave different. Okay, like not their usual self. They'll be more gentle towards you, more sweet. Some of them might even apologize for something that they did in the past, and you're like, what the fuck is happening here? So yeah, in terms of their feelings, however, how do they truly feel for you? They definitely want your attention. Okay, with King of Pentacles, just like I told you, it's more practical than emotional. They look at you as someone who's a really good match for them. Okay, they do not want to lose that. One more card as to how do they feel about whenever they think of you or miss you. So like they always have been resisting the emotional part of it. So I still see their heart closed off. Yes, they do think about you, but I still see them closing their heart off, like not really involving the emotions in this connection. Okay, one more card. One more card for their feelings, please. Yeah, just like I told you, with Two of Swords, closed-hearted. Okay, in terms of their hate space, how do they think about you in terms of their hate space, Spirit? In terms of their hate space, they know that you're a really good match. With Two of Cups, even if they cannot revive the emotional connection that you guys once shared, I believe you have lost the spark. You are no longer passionate or madly in love with them like you used to. You know it. Okay, you could comment and let me know, but I believe they look at you as their person, not necessarily in terms of wanting to commit and all, but yes, they do know that no one fits better than you. It's like you are the other half of their soul. Okay, so let's not get weird about that, but yes, they do feel connected to you. It's just that when it comes to their emotional self, they are not wanting to emotionally get attached to you. That's their plan. Okay, so in terms of where this is going for the next 72 hours, Spirit, where do we see this going? Yeah, with Three of Pentacles, I see them kind of even trying to put in effort to get this somewhere. Okay, I see involvement. I see very much in this person wanting to work things out with you, wanting to get to us. I won't say stable point in terms of marriage, but rather talking terms. Okay, I see this person wanting to partner up with you in order to be in good terms with you, in order to find that common ground with you that they fucked up in the past. Okay, with Knight of Pentacles, I do see them wanting to invest. Okay, in terms of what can you expect from this connection now, what can you expect from this connection now? Okay, so this isn't over with the death in the reverse, and there's a good chance that it might start over. But please be careful, this might be a false start, okay? Because your person is not entirely ready to give in 100%. Yes, they want you to a point, but I don't see them overdoing it or giving their 100% to this connection. I see them still kind of sabotaging their feelings that they really have for you. They're not even open emotionally. Okay, they know that you are their person. They feel that vibe with you, but they are still closed off. Okay, I know like some of you don't really like such readings, but this is who I am and this is what I do. Okay, I'm not going to be reading all sugar coated shit just to make you feel good. If you're just watching tarot to feel validated and to feel good about your life and your connection, you have lost it in some which way. Okay, you are not supposed to get attached to tarot. If you get attached to tarot, it's just another addiction in your life. I'm a reader, I need to speak the truth. If you are in that place, you're just watching it to feel good about yourself, you're not getting anything out of it, then it's red flag. Okay, we have right now, we have different levels. Okay, next card we have is this person is still wanting to keep that hope alive that this could somehow work. Okay, last card we have conflict, something got in the way. I believe you are conflicted, moreover it's like you are not ready for it. Okay, last card we have here, um, I believe you let go of them because they were out of reach. Either they were not very approachable, or they got involved with a third party. I do not know exactly, but you let go of it. I don't see you holding on to it. Yes, you are still affected by it, but not necessarily that you still want it. Okay, it still affects you. That's why you're still watching this video. Otherwise, why would you want to open up a tarot reading when you could enjoy Netflix, right? So yes, this is all I have for you, and if it resonated, kindly hit the like button. That is how we grow. Okay, and if you really want my channel to get some place where it's recognized, please do like the video. If you are wanting a personal reading, I'm open again, so please book one for yourself through Etsy. My website link is given below. Okay, and all those who are on Instagram, come follow me on Divine Soul Guidance. I do post a lot of good stuff. If you're a Libra, come follow me on Libra Vibes Only. If you're a Scorpio, Scorpio Vibes Only. And yes, if you really want a reading from me, reach out, but don't really come off just for the sake of it. A lot of people just come off, ask for rates, and then they just disappear. I have all my rates on the website. I don't see a reason for people to again ask for it and ask for discounts. What do you think, this is a fair? I don't know. Please don't do that, darling. I don't waste your time, don't waste my time either. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Cheers.